Praise be to Jesus. University chaplain fired for making reparation for gay pride. Father Frank Morris was fired as a university chaplain of Glasgow's Caledonian University because he held a prayer of reparation for the gross offense of Glasgow gay pride, reports BBC.com, July 18th. The March of Gay Radicals took place on July 14th and was led by Scotland's First Minister, Nicola Sturgeon. Father Morris's prayer of atonement consisted of 15 decades of the Rosary and was held 2 days later inside a church. Glasgow Archdiocese issued a statement stating that it was aware of the university's decision. The Archdiocese did not bother defending the courageous priest. Almost at the same time, Jesuit Father James Martin celebrates gay marches and is invited to speak at the Vatican-sponsored World Meeting of Families in Dublin in August. This is a sure sign that the present Catholic Church is in deep troubles. Well, that's for sure. Another unfortunate situation or event here. Well, that's the complete article, but the link's in the description box.